Are you tired of never having a pen when you need it most? Are you fed up with pens running out of ink or getting jammed when you need them most? Then you need Wallet Pen! Never be without a pen again. Sign important documents with ease. Finish assignments just in time. All thanks to Wallet Pen. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing a life hack. So first thing you do, you take your hot glue gun and you throw it in the trash because this is a real life hack. Alright, so for this, you're not going to need a lot of stuff. All you're going to need is a Fisher Space Pen refill or something similar. These are basically just pressurized ink cartridges. You can get them for like $5 or $6 for a pair. You're going to need a little bit of shrink tubing, and you're going to need a bobby pin. It's best if it has the little nubs on the end still, just so it doesn't tear up the inside of the wallet. So all you need to do, take the shrink tube, put it over the pen, take the bobby pin, put it in between the shrink tube as such, line the ends up, and then you're just going to shrink the shrink tube, and then the bobby pin is securely fastened to the cartridge. And so you just take your wallet, you put the bobby pin like that, and then it is secure as such. This is just the right length. It's about the same size as a credit card, so it'll fit in pretty much any wallet, trifold like this, or even a bifold.